What's up, guys? This is Will H of Will H Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today we're doing this Google Pixel 6a unboxing and first look. So this was sent out to me as being part of the hashtag Team Pixel. So a big shout out to them. This is hashtag made by Google, and this is hashtag a gift from Google. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Google Pixel 6a, which is a mid-range device that they come out, their latest device. And we're going to take a look at it. So let's look at some of the specs first. So this has an aluminum frame, has a plastic back. This is IP67 dust and water resistant, and it weighs 6.2 ounces. Now this has a 6.1 inch 1080 by 2400 OLED display, 429 ppi, and it's Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Now it has dual 12 megapixel cameras on the back. You have a wide and an ultra wide that can record video up to 4K at 60 frames per second. You have a selfie camera on the front that's an 8 megapixel, and it can shoot 1080p up to 30 frames per second. You have a 4410 milliamp hour battery that's capable of charging at 18 watts. This is going to be running Android 12. This has the Google Tensor chip. Has 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. It's going to come in 3 different colors: chalk, charcoal, and sage. This features a under-display fingerprint sensor. Has stereo speakers. Some of the things that it doesn't have wireless charging, and the display is only going to be 60 hertz. You also have features such as Magic Eraser, Real Tone, Unblur, Night Sight, and you're going to get 5 years worth of updates. Now you get all of that for $449, the price on it. And you also include all of the other Google features as well. That's just a summary of some of the features. Let's go ahead and get into the box, man. So here's the packaging that it comes in. They always have some dope packaging. You guys see, meet the Pixel 6a. So when we open this box up, this is what we're going to have. So up here, I don't know if you guys can see this. Hello, Google, help me make my review video. So it says, then we get a kit for the Team Pixel, just giving us a lot of information there. And then we have the device. So they send me out the sage color, and I think this is going to be a beautiful color here. There's a picture of the device there. You got Google on the side of it here. Got their logo there, Pixel 6a, and then you got some of the specs on the back of it here. So this is going to be the 128 gigabyte Sage, and that is pretty much all it says. So let's get this box out of the way, and then we're going to unbox the phone. So let's get this cleaned up. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're back in. Let's go ahead and get this cracked open to take a look at it. They do include the little pull tabs, which is great. No need for an unboxing knife. And let's go ahead and get this open. So here is the first look at the device. Ooh, that is nice, man. I was kind of hoping I got this color as well. So let's put the phone over to the side and see what else we got in here. You see 6A telling you about the Tensor chip. You're going to have your charging cable here, which is Type-C to Type-C. And then you're going to have this little adapter here, Type-C to Type-A. And that is pretty much all in the box. Got this packet here. You're going to have your SIM ejection tool. And within here, I'm going to assume that this is your paperwork. Let's see what else is in here. So you're going to get your warranty, safety warranty regulation guide here. And you're also going to get a pamphlet here, just telling you about the device, how to go about around it. So that is what's included in the box. Let's go ahead and get the box over to the side here. And let's take a look at the device. Let's get this off. Ooh, there it is. So this is a much smaller device here, and it is beautiful, as you guys can see. Here's the color. So you got this darker green color here with the light, and you do still have that same design with the camera bar there. Now they made this black matte around the sides, and this does look good, man. So at the top, you're going to have a microphone hole right there. On this side, you do have your SIM card tray right here. On the bottom, you got your speakers and your Type-C charging port right there. This is nice, man. And around on this side, you're going to have your volume up and down and your power button there. You got your two 12 megapixel cameras on the back. You got your flash, and you got the Google logo right there. So this is very nice looking. My 6 Pro over here, now this is the sort of sunny. I do have a skin on it, but looking at the comparison, you can see this one is a little bit smaller, and it feels good in the hand. Now this is supposed to be plastic on the back, but it doesn't feel like plastic straight off the bat. It doesn't. Here it is, these two next to each other. Now this has a much bigger screen. This is 6.1 inch. I think this one is 6.8, I believe. So here it is. Then you got your front-facing camera there. And this is flat. This is a flat display, I'm assuming. It looked like it is. So let's go ahead and power this on. I'm going to put my information in. And then we'll take a look at it after it boots up. Let's make sure it has power to it. There's the vibrate and the buzz. So we're going to go ahead and get my information in. We'll come right back. All right, guys, so we're back in. Got some of my information in. This is how it came out of the box right here. This is the wallpaper. I guess it's themed to look like the phone itself. One thing I did notice is the camera bump back here, or bar, doesn't protrude as much as the one on the 6 Plus. So it may have been like that on the regular 6 before, but I didn't get that device, so I'm not sure. But the display looks great, man. Nice and punchy colors here. The blacks look deep. So I have no issues with that so far. And strolling around on this device has been great. I don't see any slowdowns, hiccups. It's 60 hertz, but it looks good to me. What's on here? Not much on the device, as you guys see. You got stuff like calculator, calendar, camera, contacts, files, Gmail, Google, just your normal stuff here. So not any bloatware that I would call it. And then if we go in, this is the drop-down menu system here. All of this is the same. You can see it's theme for the color. And let's go in and check out, see how much storage out of the box. I haven't added any apps on here, so you got 11% use, 114 gigabytes free right there. So that's out of the box, out of the 128 if you want to get this version of it. And let's go down to About Phone and check out and see what we got here. So Android 12, and it's going to have the April 5th, 2022 security patch update there. So we may have an update coming out of the box. But so far, it feels good in the hand. Speedy, looks pretty good here. And I like the size of it as well. So, like I said, this has been my unboxing. I do like this black going around here. That is very nice. Unboxing of the Google Pixel 6a. First impressions. If you guys want to see it next to something like an iPhone for the size of it. So, here's my iPhone 13 Pro. You guys see, so 6.1 inch display, 6.1 inch display, and just a little bit taller than the iPhone, but it feels really good in the hand. So I did set up my fingerprint sensor there, as you guys see, got right in. Let's try that again. And I registered both fingers, and right off the bat, it is super fast getting in with the fingerprint sensor. But more videos to come. I'm going to do some camera, take some photos, videos, and do some other comparisons with some of my other devices. So I am Will H. This is Will H Gadgets and More. The Google Pixel 6a is in the house. #Team Pixel. I'm out.